Ready for some more downhill? Pew! All right, let's go scope out the bottom of Mineral Way. Little hopper here. Whoop. Whoop. Don't hit the tree. Whoop. Little hopper here. Whoop. Little rock right there. How you digging it, bro? Yeah, man. It's, yeah, for sure, like brilliant little jibs. 3 riders coming down. Thanks, y'all. Appreciate it. Just 3 of us, Chief.
Right on, enjoy.
Yeah, y'all enjoy your ride as well. Oh yeah. Nice little slalom section in the trees. Pretty good loose corner right there. Man, Mineral Way is so chill. Little side hit. A little jibber. Woo. Yeah, bud. Woo. All right. We're getting ready to come up to the wavelength left, so we're going to slow down and wait for her real quick so she knows where to go. How was that, Chica?
That was good.
Yeah, lots of fun. All right, here's the straight through. So for you, go straight. We're gonna hang a left and hit the bottom of wave, and we'll meet you down there at the bottom. All right, let's roll. Woo! Yeah, bud. How'd you like that? So good. And the other, oh, it really does, hands down. But the other super groovy part is that you can just session that so easy. Yeah, we can do that. No, not at all. Hi. Nah, you're right on point. This is exactly where you needed to meet us.
How was it?
Yeah, it was
So good.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we're just gonna do this lower section real quick. Pew. Lead it up, buddy.
My quad doesn't cramp.
Yeah. Yeah. Phew. Yeah, bud. Nice, dude. Great effort.
Way too deep.
Oh, yeah, dude. That was so good. Brilliant.
Case that last one though still. I feel
Not
like
bad for the conditions,
I kind
though.
of pushed the lip. I didn't pop the lip. I got
Yeah.
it sketched out. It's a steep lip. It's like a
That's
dirt
all.
lip.
Yeah, it's been done. It's been redone. Like,
Yeah.
it was not like that before. Yeah.
Nice
You are
job.
getting pretty high up there.
Yeah, you send it.
That first jump I went way too far.
So good.
You're even looking at it a little bit.
Well, let's go ahead and kick it off down to the bottom, y'all. All right, here's our last little bit of Downy. Nice little chill spot. Boop. Just watch the muck entrance right there. Be a little greasy. Yeah. So good. So bueno. Whoop, greasy. Bro, that was spot, man.
Yeah, that was legit.
So stoked I ran into y'all.
I know.
Well, totally stoked we got to catch up
man.
after all said
so
and
glad I was
done.
able to
Bring
see
it
you.
in. Yeah, for sure. And Mariah.
Happy to meet a local legend.
Pleasure. Pleasure.
Senior
So got a local legend. But nah, it was
Nah, you
great
kinda
fun
are,
hanging
dude.
out
You
with
kinda
y'all.
are. Who else is out here videoing this place? Only you know.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yep.
But, well,
Yeah.
I'm so glad we got to catch up,
Yeah,
y'all.
that's
Heck
it.
I need to go get on, and I know y'all need to boogie woogie.
Yeah.
So, till next time, Nathan.
Yep.
Yeah,
Let
see
y'all
ya.
get settled in, and then I'll be down to visit y'all.
Okay.
For sure.
come
All right.
down.
Bye.